So why did I choose the Apple MacBook Pro with M2 chip over many others? And what were my other options and their prices? So first you need to determine your use, not your budget. Because if your use is low and your budget is open, that would be a waste of money. Otherwise, if your use is heavy and your budget is low, you are not gonna achieve your required tasks. For example, if you are going to use your computer for AAA gaming, activating the ray tracing, so that requires you a huge amount of money. That may exceed $3,000. But if your usage is just Photoshop and some color adjustments and some minor gaming, an economy budget would help you. The most important thing is that you determine the programs and games you are going to use, and to watch as many reviews as you can on this computer, in order to make sure that they meet your required level of work. So secondly, you have to look at the available options. In my case, as I am a content creator and a video 4K editor with a little bit of gaming, well, I wish to find some time for gaming anyhow. Those were my options: a PC build, a gaming laptop, or a MacBook. Unfortunately, building a PC in Gaza is a nightmare because the parts are very limited and they are very pricey. So depending on my usage, I choose these PC parts, and that's its price. However, I should add very important peripherals such as 2K screen, good keyboard and mouse, a headset or speakers, and most importantly a UPS. We do have too much power outages, so the budget becomes... So looking at another option, I had the Lenovo Legion 5 with these specifications, and that's its price. The similarities between the first option and the second option is the need of power source to give you the best performance. Even gaming laptops consumes too much energy and need to be connected to power source in order to give you the full performance. Otherwise, the battery will be consumed very soon if you want to apply performance mode on battery settings. So these gaming laptops can consume an energy from 220 to 350 watts. So what is my third and final option? It was the MacBook Pro with these specifications, and that was its price. However, you'll notice in any benchmark that any processor above the Core i7-12700H will easily beat the M2 chip in this core, but that is not the case. And don't be tricked by that. So the issue here is the great compatibility between the system and the hardware the Apple devices provide. And the Mac optimization here is superb, as well as the very excellent battery it provides, as it can reach up to 20 hours of web browsing and 14 hours of video editing and rendering. Conclusionally, this was my best option to pick out of these, because I only have 2 days to work as a content creator, and in these 2 days I face many power outages, unfortunately. So I hope you found this video beneficial. If so, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks indeed for watching, and always, there is more to come.